Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, and we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 28th of April, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.32. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and descending trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are anticipated. The present 3-month trend forecasts a potential decrease of approximately 14.57% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 41.20% to negative 5.27%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis projects an estimated decline of about 11.32%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 36.32% to positive 38.35% over the next year. In practical terms, this suggests that the future price could fall between $2.74 and $5.96. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, Strong Day for NIO Stock Price on Monday, rising 6.95% to $4.31. The NIO stock price gained 6.95% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, rising from $4.03 to $4.31. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 7.33%, with a day low at $4.09 and a day high of $4.39. The price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 22.44% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 20 million more shares were traded than the day before, with 58 million shares bought and sold for approximately $250,900,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $7.71, while the lowest was $3.02. Currently, the price is 44.10%, or $3.40, below the 52-week high, and 93.57%, or $62.68, below the all-time high on January 11, 2021, when the price reached $66.99. Citi analyst Jeff Chung has initiated a positive outlook on NIO, forecasting a remarkable surge in second quarter shipments by over 50% compared to the first quarter. This news has the potential to enhance investor confidence and drive the stock price up in the short term. The electric vehicle market is fierce, especially with rising competition from affordable and advanced Chinese electric vehicles. However, NIO is positioning itself to stand out, with exciting new products on the horizon. Recent trading activity shows NIO shares bouncing back as investors capitalize on previous dips, suggesting proactive market sentiment. Despite challenges posed by tariff-related volatility in the global automotive sector, NIO's recent performance indicates resilience. The stock has surged for 8 consecutive days and is hovering at its highest levels since early April. Moreover, CEO William Li's confidence about achieving break-even status by the end of 2025 adds a layer of optimism, suggesting that long-term investors might find value in holding NIO shares. As NIO continues to innovate and potentially meet its ambitious long-term targets, both the short and long-term outlook appears increasingly positive, potentially elevating its stock price in a competitive environment. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight rating along with an upgrade action. On the same day, Monday the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform rating with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup again assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Today's chart presents mostly positive signals. The NIO stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast for the stock. However, a January sell signal is present due to the long-term average being higher than the short-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is anticipated at levels around $3.90 and $4.09. A fall below either of these points will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and the stock has appreciated by 37.26% since then. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal, recorded 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 34 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, identified 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, observed 4 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages also indicated a buy signal, recorded 23 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, buy signal, identified 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal, noted 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal, observed 18 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $4.22, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval reflected by the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 0.3% between its high and low, which equates to 7.33%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 5.55%. Before we dive into potential trading levels for NIO, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of June, 2025. Analysts have a consensus estimate of negative 22 cents. It's important to pay attention to these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $4.44. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $4.22. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. conducted an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our suggested stop loss is established at $4.16, reflecting a decrease of 3.52%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which entails a higher level of risk. Notably, there is a buy signal emerging from a pivot bottom identified 13 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? Several short-term signals indicate positive momentum. Although the stock is currently in a downward trend, we believe this level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. Our analysis has been updated since the last evaluation, changing from a sell to a buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems conclude that the current price appears overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 29th of April, we anticipate that NIO will open lower by approximately 4 cents and begin trading at $4.26. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.